Good morning, Team ClamBake. We are at the beach. Such a way better day this morning than it was yesterday. Yesterday was like trying to metal detect during the perfect storm. I screwed up my cannon. It appeared to be working this morning, but when we got to the beach and I tried to use it, it wouldn't turn on. I think I need a new battery because I charged that sucker all night long and it actually worked this morning after multiple attempts yesterday. Oh, today is such a beautiful day compared to yesterday. Yesterday morning was miserable. Look at the waves though, huh? Thought I just saw something. They got like two surfer guys out here. There's one out. I don't know if you guys can see him. He just went down. Trust me, he's behind those waves. There he is. See him? Like a little seal. Hopefully we don't see a shark come up to eat him. Cool. Team ClamBake, doing what we do. Sun is trying to come out way better than yesterday, guys. Way better. At least I'm dry. I'm high and I'm dry. What more can I ask for? Keeping it real. Beach floam and an incline. I'm thinking this might be a really good spot to check out, but he does where he goes. Right now he's doing over here. But see all the beach floam? Cut away. Check out the incline. A lot of debris on the top of the hill. All those little rivulets. Got a nice incline here. A lot of debris on the beach. Oh, he's digging. Beautiful day compared to yesterday, I must say. Look at the waves. The waves are jamming this morning. Little tidal pool right here that the beach floam. See, this is what I'm talking about. Right here is a good spot where we could probably find some junk, or better than junk. Sorry, my Muppet hands. So all the little rivulets. See, the tide's coming in now. So I don't even know if we'd be able to do that area. Trying not to lose my Muppet hands. Yeah, the water's coming, the tide's coming in. Got a little tidal pool happening right here. I would have thought that this would be the area to check out. See how the waves crisscross? The beach is a little bit higher here. But so weird to hear gunshots going off when you're at the beach, but apparently it's people out duck hunting, and the tide is definitely coming in. See, it's following me. Another possible signal.
I have found a nail.
Ah, Not a not a snail.
Dude, I found a smaller screw than that. It's in my pocket.
Really?
Wicked good.
From some
goodness stand.
Look, we got a beach nail. Not a snail. It's a nail. Penny man. Penny for your thoughts. I wish you was more, Ma. But that would be a wish, not a thought. Tide's coming in, trying to watch that. He coming. It's a nickel.
I found a nickel.
A nickel.
I thought it was junk.
It's yellow.
I found a nickel.
Ching ching, wing wing, bada bing.
Washout too.
That's why I said, I'm telling you, this area has just been
This has all been
calling to me. Look at all the beach foam. He just got caught by the wave. I hear some doggy wants to come out and pee. See all the little rivulets? Coming off the slope, going down to the beach. See all that crazy foam that was over here? I got blown, not blown, but the water pushed it over here. Found some stuff, not a lot, but at least we got out. Oh, look at this bird. Where is he? No Dartman bombs. He's gonna get caught in the tide. It looks nice, but trust me, it's freezing. Because I keep taking off my Muppet fingers, which are my gloves, to be able to hold my stupid camera, my cell phone, by the little thingy on the back, the knob. And my fingertips are like ice cubes. So, gonna stop this patch. We'll let you know if he finds anything.